Meet Ted and Jen. They started their RTO business around 5 years ago. When they first started, Ted and Jen were very focused on making sure everything was compliant with all the RTO requirements. As time passed, they shifted all their focus onto the business and earning money. Their RTO has been going really well since. 5 years has flown by so quickly for Ted and Jen. Then, panic! Ted and Jen's RTO is now up for re-registration, and they have an ASQA audit looming. Now it seems like all the rules and regulations have changed again. Ted and Jen feel they are being pulled in all directions, and there is so much to do to get ready for their ASQA audit. So much, in fact, it will take them away from the business of running their RTO. They cannot afford for this to happen, plus do not have the time to spare. Fear not, Jen and Ted. Viv, the Vivacity superhero, can come to your rescue with the RTO ReBoot package. Viv is all over the latest legislation and loves nothing more than jumping through the compliance hoops for ASQA. Viv and her team assist Jen and Ted with ensuring they are compliant through the provision of policies, procedures and documentation, as well as training how to be compliant with the latest legislation. Does this sound like you? At Vivacity, we not only consult, we coach you through the whole process. Vivacity implements a continuous improvement process throughout your RTO to ensure ongoing compliance, providing simple policies and procedures that your RTO can follow, saving you time and money. It just makes good business sense to lighten your load and get rid of the associated stress with keeping up with the ever-changing legislation for RTOs. Quality is our success. 100% compliant is our goal. Pick up the phone and give us a call. You will be very pleased you did.